Welcome to our new presentation video. Today we'll talk about the billing status covered. This status is applicable for the billings which matters has a flat fee. The main purpose of this status is to track the time spent for a matter, but yet to invoice only the flat fee, because the billings with status covered will not appear in the list of uninvoiced billings. Now, let's see how this works. In order to add a flat fee for a matter, we have to check the checkbox for the flat fee. When we do, we'll notice that another checkbox is automatically checked, and this is Exclude Billings Amount from Invoice Price checkbox. As long as this checkbox is checked, the billings we're adding for this matter will appear with status covered. When we're invoicing the billings for this matter, we will see that the only billing available for invoicing is the flat fee. We can also change the status of existing billing by using the drop-down menu. Here we simply have to select the billings that we want to change and then click Mark as Covered, and then click Mark as Covered and Apply. As you can see, the billings has changed their status. It's important to note that if we uncheck the checkbox Exclude Billing Amount from Invoice Price and add a new time entry, the billing will appear with the Not Invoiced status. I hope you'll find this useful and see you soon.